Welcome to SPSC. You are welcome.
Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Ama niongeleshe na Kiswahili leo. I think I should vlog in Swahili today. So, kuna food truck. How do we call food truck in Swahili? Ui, hii ni serious. So, there's a food truck. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you're new here, my name is Yvonne. Well, I'm just vlogging. I want to vlog right now. I'm in a hurry. Actually, I want to leave the house because apparently there's a food truck around here in Mogadishu. Yeah, and it's near here the airport, and you know I live inside the airport, like around the airport, not inside. Msidhani ati naishi kwa ndege. Yeah, so I just want to go and sample the food there. Actually, I think I'm gonna order a burger because I haven't eaten since morning, by the way. I was preparing myself for this. I want to enjoy the burger. So let me just take you guys with me and show you around, right? Yeah. Very sorry guys, I had to mute this part. The reason is because there was a background music, and you know when I post a video on YouTube with the background music and the music is not mine, it becomes a problem. So he was just saying that whenever you see this food truck, please try and buy something, get yourself something. They have burgers, they have cappuccino, they have latte, they have mojito, like they have fast food stuff, they have chapati, they have mandazi, by the way. So whenever you see this food truck, just try and get yourself something. So they operate around Eden Abdullah International Airport in Mogadishu, Somalia. So whenever you see this, whenever you see STSC, please try and support a business, please.
They said, don't fall. Forget all the things you've been taught, you've been told. Don't blink, don't run, don't turn left or turn right or look straight at the sun. My mind's going in circles, I'm trying to fight it. Getting these voices inside to stay quiet. Gone to the place where all this began. Just start again. Oh, you won't see the light until the dawn breaks. No. Look beneath the bed before you go to sleep. Keep on, I shine. You'll surely get burned if you reach out and touch. My mind is a battle, I'm trying to hide it. Getting these voices inside to stay quiet. Gone to the